So we're here in Malaga, Caterpillar's very impressive demonstration area, and you've just been telling me about the 340 SB. So for the viewers, tell me more.
Hello Mark, yes indeed. So here in Malaga today we are introducing the 340 straight boom. The 340 straight boom, it is based on the next generation excavator, and it's our dedicated purpose-built demolition excavator. So it's an excavator that typically works up until 30 meters, so 3 stories high. And it's a purpose-built machine. That means that it's got a heavy-duty undercarriage, heavy-duty swing frame, a heavy counterweight, and of course a straight boom. Because when you do demolition work, instead of having the force below ground level, you would like to have the force above to do the demolition work. In addition to that, we also have equipped this machine standard Excavator with a demolition cap. So the demolition cap, that's equipped with the panzer glass and the falling object card, so to protect the operator.
One of the things that came across very clearly in your presentation was the fact that it's a dedicated demolition machine. It's not an earth-moving machine that you've converted. This is, somebody has actually thought, demolition, we will start from scratch.
Absolutely.
What are some of the things that have gone into that?
Yeah. So the things that we have changed for this machine is that it's equipped with a heavy-duty undercarriage, also a heavier swing frame. It's got a heavy counterweight in order to put on a heavy tool, and it's got the straight boom as well as the demolition cap. In addition to that, also the machine is already equipped with a reversing fan, but you also have a special grille, so we protect the machine against dust ingress into the engine compartment. So those are some of the changes that we made on the machine.
Okay, and undercarriage wise, is it an adjustable width undercarriage, or is it just a standard width?
This is a standard width. It's not hydraulically adjustable undercarriage.
Okay, now I know we're going to move on to work tools at some point, but again, because it is a dedicated demolition machine, you kind of built it as a tool carrier. You've built that with the end product in mind. Can you tell me a bit about that as well?
Yeah, so standard, all our excavators standard come with the tool control, so you can program up to 20 pre-programmed tools into the machine. It's standard equipped with the high pressure and medium pressure lines, so you can effectively attach every hydromechanical tool that you need in demolition, whether it's a multiprocessor or a hammer or a grapple, to the machine.
One of the things that's been a real theme of this visit to Malaga has been telematics and vision link and the Caterpillar app and that kind of thing. How is that integrated into the 340 SB?
So the 340 SB, like all the other Caterpillar equipment, is equipped with a product link box that will allow us to do remote troubleshooting and also remote flash of the machine in case there's upgrades to the software. So also what we're going to be introducing shortly this year is actually telematics on the work tools. So we add a product link box to the work tools, and the machine will be able to pick up the signal from the work tool through a Bluetooth reader, because it's Bluetooth technology. So through Bluetooth reader it will pick up the signal of the work tool. So that means that back in the office or on your iPhone app, you can locate the last location of your work tools, and you can also see the number of hours that the work tool has been operated, so you can schedule service for the tools.
It begs the question, Bluetooth connectivity, so the attachment or the work tool speaks to the excavator, and the excavator kind of absorbs that data.
Yes.
Does that help with the problem, which is a big problem in the UK, of attachment theft? Because if that work tool is separated from the carrier, you've lost that connectivity, haven't you?
Yes. So, as a matter of fact, so the device itself, it's a Bluetooth beacon. It sends out a Bluetooth signal, and the excavator is equipped with a Bluetooth reader. But it's not only the excavator, also the operator can have on his iPhone, smartphone, he can have an app installed that also picks up that signal. So it's not, I won't claim it's an effective theft protection system, but it will help the operator or the owner to locate the last known locations of the tools, because theft is a problem, but the bigger problem is that owners simply don't know where the tools are. So it's not necessarily that they're stolen, but they're on some job sites and we don't know where. So we have a solution for that. For theft, that's a different story.
Okay. Now obviously we've mentioned the 340 SB, which we haven't actually seen it in the flesh yet, but it sounds a very impressive machine. What happens from here? Is there going to be a high reach version? Is there going to be an upgraded 350 and so on down the line?
Absolutely, spot on. So the 340 straight boom, that is the replacement of the old 336F straight boom. So now we moved it to the next gen excavator platform, and we introduced a straight boom based on that platform. And we'll do the same for the 340F ultra high demolition machine we have. It's also going to be upgraded to the next generation excavator, and we expect this somewhere in the end of next year. The same at the moment, we're working on expanding that to the larger models. So the 352 next generation excavator, we're also working on a program to introduce that with an ultra high demolition front.